sister, would you rather walk on the island and stay on the mainland, or you walk on the mainland and stay on the island?
Actually, it depends. Like,
Okay, why not walk on the island and stay on the island?
Love. Can we cut?
But you dey work for island now. Yeah. You don't go jail before. Yeah. All right, beautiful people of Lagos City, welcome to the State of Excellence. My name is MC Dan. You can also call me the 5-star general. And this is Foks TV. We're right here in Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria, to ask people on the streets of Ikeja that would they rather live on the island and work on the mainland, or live on the mainland and work on the island. So my brother, also, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
What's your name?
My name is Wisdom.
Your name is Wisdom. Okay, so Wisdom, would you rather walk on the island and stay on the mainland, or you walk on the mainland and stay on the island?
Actually, it depends. Like, going to island, if I should see that the island is more comfortable for me, I can decide to stay there so that I can focus on my work. But it depends the outstream to the island and the
No, brother, it depends on everything. The house rent.
yes. But another thing is transport,
Yeah, what's your name? Blessing. Blessing, look at the camera. So, Blessing, would you rather live on the mainland and work on the island, or you live on the island and work on the mainland?
I work in the mainland and live in the island.
Okay, you work on the mainland and live on the island. Why?
I think the island is better than the mainland.
Oh, you think the island is better than the mainland?
But at least we get better jobs here in the mainland.
Your name?
Talkative Sam, my name.
Oh yeah, Talkative Sam. Now, Talkative Sam is very simple. Would you rather stay on the island and work on the mainland, or you stay on the mainland and work on the island?
Me, I go work for island and stay on mainland. Lifestyle with the island cost
my brother, my brother, why?
Lifestyle with the island cost personality, but mainland here, I visit day, now I just enter island, I go chill, I go carry with I want carry, I go drink, I go do. But the low budget, you know, go far.
But wait, as per celebrity where you be, you suppose dey island. So what you dey do for mainland?
Mainland sweet on the norms. Mainland sweet past island because the lifestyle just cost for that side. Where sweet go than mainland here we dey.
So for you now, you rather stay on the mainland and work on the island.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my brother, so big. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Your name, man?
My name is Becky.
Okay. Now, would you rather work on the island and stay on the mainland, or you rather work on the mainland and stay on the island?
I would better stay work in the island and stay in the mainland.
Why?
Is that the better to sleep out?
Why now? Why you go work for island and stay for mainland?
I like mainland.
You like mainland, but you prefer to work for island.
Yes, because life in that side is very expensive. So if you want to rent an accommodation in that island, it's very expensive.
Okay. So now, since life is expensive on the island, why you want work for island?
The salary is not more better than here. Yes, some work in island salary is more better than here.
Alright, good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Lucky.
Lucky, what's your name? Come closer. Chisholm. Okay, so now a very quick one. Would you work on the mainland and stay on the island, or you work on the island and stay on the mainland?
We work on the island and stay on the mainland.
You work on the island and stay on the mainland. You?
I work on the mainland and stay on the island.
Okay, so you work on the mainland and stay on the island. Why?
Because the island is just like it's a Lekki Victoria Island there. So if I rather work on the mainland, like from that village or somewhere around this place, yeah, it's looking better.
It's okay better. Okay, so why would you work on the mainland and stay on the island?
The mainland is for business now. It is mostly business people that stay on the mainland, yeah.
Okay, so for you want to stay on the island?
Yes.
You want to stay on the island?
Yes.
And work on the mainland?
Yes.
So why do you want to stay on the island?
If you have money, you stay in that land, you stay on the island.
So you love the soft life on the island?
If there's the money.
If there's money. Okay, so Wisdom, a very quick one. Would you rather work on the island and stay on the mainland, or you work on the mainland and stay on the island?
I'll work on the island and stay on the mainland.
You work on the island and stay on the mainland. Why?
I just want to work on the island.
You just want to work on the island and stay on the mainland. Why not work on the island and stay on the island?
No.
Favor, would you rather work on the island and stay on the mainland, or you work on the mainland and stay on the island?
A few moments later.
Work on the island and stay on the mainland.
Okay, you work on the island
And stay on
and stay on the mainland. So why do you want to work on the island and stay on the mainland?
love.
Okay, my sister. Okay, why not work on the island and stay on the island?
Can we cut?
Would you work on the mainland here and stay on the island, or you rather work on the island and stay on the mainland?
I rather work on the island and stay on the mainland.
Why, mommy?
Eh?
Why?
Because the things there is costlier than this place, and also the as in traffic and some inconveniences. That's why I can work that side, and two, secondly, the let me say the rentage, there is apartments,
Yes.
is higher
On the island.
on the island than
On the
to
mainland.
the mainland.
Okay.
So that's why
So, but you want to work there?
I can work there because of the payments there is as in a little bit that is the salary there is higher. Yes.
Eventually, is it not the same expenses at the end of the day?
No, it cannot be.
So, Peter, would you rather work on the island and stay on the mainland, or you work on the mainland and stay on the island?
The two of them.
Okay. Okay, you don't fit take A and B. Pick one.
A.
So you go work for island, they stay for mainland,
Yes.
or you go dey work for mainland, they stay for island.
Work for mainland, stay for island.
You go dey work for mainland, they stay for island.
Yes.
Why? Okay, why na?
But no sabi.
You no sabi why you want. Okay, you just want stay island. You no sabi why you want stay island.
I prefer to work on island and stay in the mainland.
You prefer to work on the island and stay in the mainland. Why?
If I working in island and stay there, it's better for me because of transport money.
Yeah. Yes, hello. Wetin? Oga, leave God matter. Oga, wetin be your name? Yeah, my name is Segun. Segun. Okay, so now Segun, will you work on the mainland and stay on the island, or you work on the island and stay on the mainland?
But at the moment, I work on the mainland and stay in mainland.
Okay, you work on the island now and you stay on the mainland. So how do you cook?
Yeah, I cook because I cook because I'm on to commercial level.
You're on two commercial level.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Yeah, I'm a driver.
You're a driver.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's why you can move anywhere now.
Yeah.
No, now why you want the press? Okay, but advise people where they want come Lagos.
Okay.
Where they suppose they stay for Lagos between island and mainland.
Between island and mainland in Lagos State, you know, I can just refer people to come to mainland because island there is somehow risky. You can go to jail anytime.
Okay,
Yes. That is available.
Okay, wait.
It's available in Lagos Island.
Okay. You dey work for island now.
Yeah.
You don't go jail before.
Yeah.
You know the differentiation between the mainland and the island, that the salary on the island is better than the salary on the mainland. My brother, now you no get better job. Some people they cash out from mainland. You just feel like when you tell people when they from that village, say when they go island. What do they want to do? They make their money for here. Now people when the island come they meet them for their village. I don't know if so, but ladies and gentlemen, please comment, drop your comment in the comment section. Would you rather stay on the mainland and work on the island, or you rather work on the mainland and stay on the island? Drop your comments and let's have it.